Hello guys, today I'm going to show you 1 bedroom plus study room for sale in JVC. So let's go and have a look.
Strawberry on my lips and your fingertips.
So this is the apartment. Once we enter, we have a study room on our right side. This can be used as an office also, and kids room. There's plenty of storage also here. And this is the beautiful kitchen with built-in kitchen appliances. Here's the washing machine. And you have a built-in stove, oven, grill and refrigerator with the freezer. Now we are heading to the first bathroom, which is with the shower. So in this apartment there are 2 bathrooms and both are with shower. Living area with beautiful tiling. And this is a balcony which is connected with both living area and bedroom. And you can see the beautiful view of JVC. This is your bedroom with the attached bathroom and the built-in closet, of course. So this apartment is available in the market for 1 million dirhams. Now I'll show you the amenities of the building. This is a multi-purpose hall where you can arrange your meetings, hang out with your friends and play ping pong. This is a gym, and finally an open air rooftop swimming pool.